Hey guys, so let's unbox my drill machine, my nail drill machine. So guys, this is how it is. SCE 101 electric portable nail drill, high content lithium battery, digital display for speed, rotating direction and battery content. So this is it. In case you want to buy, this is it so far. So let's go. Mind you, I've opened it before. So this is how it is. It comes with the charger. This is the charger. And this is cover for this. Cover it here inside. So, and this one, this is the machine itself. I got white color. You open it. And it comes with this. It comes with this drill bits. So this is the drill bit. Oh gosh. Why are you? It's very strong. So this is the drill bit. It comes with this drill bit, and I don't like to use this, so I got a new one. This is it. I got a new drill bit. So this is it. I'm gonna try it out. Bring it out, and you put it here. Here, you tighten it. So this is it. And here, you put it, is that this place here? You put it this place, and then you turn it on. You change it. Can you hear the sound? Can you see how it's moving? Oh! Can you hear the sound? So this is it. I don't want to file my nails, but let me try. Let me try this side. Let me reduce. Let me reduce it. So this is it, and this is my nail. You can see it's filing. I don't want to file my nails, so this is it. Turn it off. You open it like this, and you remove it. So basically, this is the only thing you need to do. So this is it. It comes like this with the charger and with this. I bought this for 33,000 naira, and this for 15,000. Just this is 15,000. So I don't know how much is it in the market now, but this is the amount I bought. So this one, you buy this different with this one. This one's different, I think, for 4,000 or 4,500 each. So this is it. You cover it, and you pack it back inside the carton, you guys. So this is it. This is the packing, and this one, you put it inside the nylon, cover it with it. So this is it. We are packaging back, and this one, this is the cover. So yeah, that's all. For those of you that are asking the type of drill machine that I use, this is it in the carton, and this is the charger. Package it back. This is how it comes. I bought this, so I'm going to put it here. I don't know how it's going to enter, but yeah, anyhow, and then we'll close it. So this is it. You can save and buy yours in the market. Thank you for watching. Bye.